Hello friends, the most important feature of operation research is the use of scientific method and building a decision model. The operation research approach to problem solving is based on three phases. The first phase is judgmental phase, second phase is act research phase, and third phase is action phase. So judgmental phase, it includes what? Judgmental phase includes first identification of the real life problem, second selection of an appropriate objective and the value of various related variables related to this objective, then application of the appropriate scale of measurement, that is deciding the measures of effectiveness, that is desirability, and fourth one is the formulation of an appropriate model of the problem and the abstraction of the essential information so that a solution to the decision maker's goal can be achieved. So this is what related with the judgmental phase. Next phase is, hello friends, the second phase is research phase. This phase is the largest and longest amongst all the three phases. However, even though these remaining two are not as much long, as they are equally important, as they provide the basis for scientific method. This research method utilizes following facts of the operation research. First is observation and the data collection for a better understanding of the problem. Second one is formulation of hypothesis and model. Third one is the observation and experimentation to test the hypothesis on the basis of additional data. So additional data is also required. Then analysis of the available information and verification of the hypothesis using pre-established measures of desirability. Then prediction of various results from the hypothesis, and last one is generalization of the result and consideration of alternative methods. So these are the steps or methods, or these are the usefulness of research phase. Third phase is action phase. This action phase consists of making recommendations for implementing the decision. This decision is implemented by an individual who is in position to implement results. This individual must be aware of the problem environment in which the problem occurred, be aware of the objective, of assumptions behind the problem, and the required omission of the model. So these are the three pages of operation research.